Restore clarity. Remove yellowing. Eliminate hazing. Don't waste your day rubbing out chalky and hazing headlights by hand. Restore the clarity of your headlights with the complete Flitz Headlight Restoration Kit. The Flitz Headlight Restoration Kit has everything you need to bring headlights and more back to showroom new. One kit can restore up to 10 headlights with professional results. You'll save hundreds on replacement headlights and dealership maintenance. Your kit includes one 1.7-ounce polish paste tube, ceramic sealant, 1000 grit multi-use abrasive sanding pad, mini 3-inch buff ball, easy-to-follow instructions. First, apply a thin layer of Flitz polish to the surface of your headlight. Then, with the 3-inch Flitz buff ball attached to your drill, apply slight pressure with a back-and-forth motion at 1800 to 2500 RPM. Repeat if necessary. Finally, finish with Flitz ceramic sealant and buff in with a microfiber or soft cloth for long-lasting protection. For acrylic headlights, first moisten the enclosed ultrafine sanding pad with water. Then, sand the surface of the headlight with a moistened pad in a back-and-forth motion. Finally, wipe away residue and proceed with the previous 3 steps. The buff ball is washable and reusable for any project. You can also use the kit on taillights, Jeep and camper windows, windshields, helmets and face shields, boat hatches, light bars, bug deflectors, and more. The Flitz Headlight Restoration Kit removes oxidation, road film, heat discoloration, chalking, and more. Don't replace it. Flitz it.